Hello everyone, this is Yuikan Shirik. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about three things. Three things why we're not successful coming to the city despite all the opportunities are flourishing. Alright? Point one. Point one. We come to cities to finally go back home one fine day. I seriously don't understand this logic. I'm not telling not to go home. But because that thought is dominating our mind so much that becoming a very successful person in a city is just an absurd. It becomes meaningless because it is so much in our mind that we will go home and do something at home finally. But let me tell you this, guys. If you cannot be successful in the city, where is the guarantee that you will be successful where the opportunity is lesser in our hometown? Number two, we don't have a sense of urgency. We don't value the time. We don't understand it. I have seen many people just sitting at home, not working in the city for months, if not a year. And they find it absolutely normal because they have friends, they have siblings, they have somebody to care about them. And I find it very, very awkward. That's number two. Now let's go to number three. We are overthinking, guys. So many times we're just overthinking everything. We think a lot and not putting into action. Alright? Because when we overthink what happened, everything seems so complicated. So in our mind we give up. Even we start doing the thing. That's the three things I want to talk about it. And before we go, here is a bonus point. The bonus point, alright? What happened to us is our goals, our dreams, and action is not aligning. How funny is that? Our goal is something else, and our action is something else. Do you think we can be successful that way? This is city. The competition is cutthroat. So if you don't have a goal and if it is not aligning the action with that, you're doomed. Guys, if you like my channel, please click subscribe and share it. Thank you so much. We will meet next time in our next video. Thank you.